Hi, Cass. For this discussion, I'll be doing the two types of nonverbal communication methods and their roles in the communication process. So, nonverbal communication refers to body language such as paralinguistics, facial expressions, eye contact, gestures, and physical touch. This is an important part of communication since these cues demonstrate the way that you look, listen, move, and react, which tells the person you're speaking to whether or not you care and how well you're listening to them. When your nonverbal signals match up with the words being said, they increase trust, clarity, and rapport. Additionally, the HuffPost article that I read regarding nonverbal communication states that 80 to 90% of the meaning in a message lies within nonverbal communication. So that really shows how important it is when speaking to somebody. First, I'd like to focus on facial expressions. So these are very visual ways to tell the other person how you feel, such as showing a smile, a frown, or demonstrating shock or anger. Something I found interesting in the HuffPost article was about micro expressions, which I had never heard that phrasing before. Micro expressions are very brief facial expressions that last only a fraction of a second, and they are a sign of repressing or concealing an emotion. But on the other hand, normal expressions last from half a second to 4 seconds, so they are different. A micro expression could be raising your eyebrows briefly, widening your eyes, or a brief smile. Secondly, another nonverbal communication type is paralinguistics, which refers to the tone of voice someone uses when speaking. So vocal communication in this sense is different from the usual verbal communication because one sentence can have few different interpretations or meanings depending on what tone they're spoken in. So it is a nonverbal communication type. So one phrase could be interpreted as excited if it's loud and high pitched, or also like upset if a softer, more hesitant tone is used. So overall, we use nonverbal communication in every conversation, whether we realize it or not. Those were just a couple that I wanted to focus on out of the very many types of nonverbal communication. And it's just important when you're speaking to somebody to show respect and also to let them know that you are listening to them and that you understand them.